Hi, this is Paul from Reliable POD, and this is a tutorial on how to create a design for our laser engraved tumblers using our template and our Shopify app. Well, the first thing you need to do is you need to get yourself the template, and to do that, come along to our website, find the product you're looking for, scroll down, and you can download the template here. Gives you the overall image size and resolution there. You'll also note on this page there's a video on how to create your designs here, and we've also got some free mock-ups, and there's a detailed video there on how to create mock-ups using Photoshop and using our free mock-ups. So something to note when we're creating designs for the engraving process is, unlike sublimation and DTG printing, the laser engraving, your images need to be PNGs and they need to be black so that it etches away at the product and leaves your design showing out from underneath. So once you've downloaded the design, your template, you open that up in, well, we're using Photoshop, and as you can see here, 750 by 675 is the design size that you want. So when you're creating designs for laser engraving, it's good that you use blocky images like this and blocky text rather than very fine, because the lasers do struggle when you get down to the fine detail. So bear that in mind when you're creating design. This type of design works great. The other thing that you want to make sure of as well is that your black, even though that looks black in Photoshop, if I press the I key and click on that black, if we have a look at it, we can see it's nearly black, but it's not 100% black. So let's say you want to drop that text onto your template. The first thing we'd want to do is select that. So if you go to your Magic Wand tool, make sure contiguous is unchecked, click on the white, and then go up to select here and then select inverse. That means you've selected all the black. What we want to do now is make sure the black is black, like I said. So if you click on this second box down here, click on this first one, which then gives you 100% black, and then click on this little switch box here, which gives you the black as the background color. Now you've got the text selected there. If you press Control and backspace, you'll probably not notice much as a difference, but if I press the I now and click on it, you'll see that that's 100% black now. So we can copy that text, Control C, and if we come across to the template, Control V. If you want to resize that to fit it in there, press Control T. Gives you the transform to, and then press the Shift key, and you can just pull it in from the corner and position it to wherever you want it to be. Let's say we'd like it to be there. That looks good. Click on the arrow. Now what we want to do is remove that background so we can save this as a PNG, and to do that, click on the background layer at the bottom right, click the padlock to unlock it, and then press delete to delete it, and then simply File, Save As, and then make sure you save it as a PNG, and you can upload that directly into the Shopify app. Just something to note on there as well, when you're creating your design, you have to make your designs exactly the right size, 750 by 675 pixels, not millimeters, and make sure they're at 300 dpi when you're creating the engraved product, because the higher the resolution, the better. If you're 1 pixel off when you're creating that design, then the app will refuse to upload it. And the reason we do this is many products, we scale the designs across multiple products, so we have to work to the exact pixel dimensions. Hope that helps. Thank you very much. Cheers. Bye-bye.